Completion certificates. After navigating to your company's co-branded site, click Administrators and log in to your account. Once logged in, you can find completion certificates in two places. The first place would be by going to Reports and running a usage or assessment report. On these reports, you can filter by a date range and see a list of completed users. You can also search for a completion certificate by going to Student Accounts. Once on this page, you'll want to search by login ID, first name, last name, or email address. Once you type in a login ID, click Search, choose the account, click here to update user access, then choose the course that you're looking for a completion certificate on, and click here to show progress. At this point, you'll see the complete status shows completed, and you can click here to get your certificate information. Last step is to expand this page. You'll see the certificate on screen, and you can choose click here for PDF download.